Hello everyone. Today we are making a delicious and spicy surmai fish fry recipe that is crispy on the outside and full of flavor inside. So let's get started. Clean and wash the fish thoroughly. Remove scales and unwanted parts if required. Cut the fish as per your requirements. Prepare a fresh paste using ginger, garlic, coriander leaves, and green chilies. Apply this paste evenly to the fish, along with homemade masala. Then add turmeric powder and salt. Add homemade fish masala according to your preferred spice level and coat the fish thoroughly. Let the fish marinate for 15-20 minutes.
बस ना की टाकून
नाही बस
चालू करायचं ना गॅस.
Heat oil in a pan on medium flame here. I'm using iron tawa for better taste. Place the marinated fish gently in the pan. Shallow fry until golden brown and crispy on one side. Flip carefully and cook the other side until evenly cooked. Our delicious surmai fish fry is now ready to enjoy. If you liked surmai fish fry recipe, then subscribe to the channel for more tasty seafood recipes.